have with us. First of all, why I am here. What I am doing here. 14 years back, I was there in that chair. Same as you guys. Started with Tata Group. Again ended with Tata Group. I have passed somewhere around 14-15 years in Tata Group HR. Since 2 years, I am working in Gujarat as a head of HR for Tata Teleservices. Just I wanted to share with you an incident why I am here. I was sharing with the board of directors of Sunshine. My experience with Gujarat is not very fruitful, to be very honest. I was continuously going to a lot of campus recruitment, Somlale, then a lot of other institutes, which is in the BP School of Management and all. I could say success rate of getting into the world of corporate in Gujarat Institute, you know what? It is 8% only. If I pick 8 students out of that into my person, right? It's very eye-opening thing, you know. What is happening? When you go to other states, it's somewhere around 24 to 26%. So something is missing here. And that is the intention. Let me just go through the presentation. How many of you have actually gone through the vision or mission of this institute? Any one of you? Nobody? I think we must know where we are going to spend the most valuable years of our life, which is going to, I think, take a turn into our life, for education to the students and concentrate on their overall development into responsible and committed citizen to the country. Here we are talking about citizenship, overall development, and let us see the big mission. What we aspire to achieve? To equip students with advanced knowledge and skills in their chosen field, whether it is MBA or MCA. Ethical issues, we would deal with that. And end of the day, we could proudly say, I am the responsible citizen of my nation. Now, I want, okay, what will I gain once I complete my MBA or MCA through this institute? Anybody? Language is no bar. Anything else? Knowledge, skills. I have some answers. Skills upgradation, acquiring qualification. Do you think this is enough? Here, I would like to push you to shift your paradigm. सोच बदलने की बात कर रहा हूँ. Because whatever there on the previous slide, this is provided by all the institutes. You complete your MBA, you complete your MCA, they will give you the certification. You will be qualified MBA person, right? You will get the job or not, it is not their headache. But here, we are trying to say, shift your paradigm. Think out of the box. You are not just here to get your MBA thappa. No. We are not here. This is not enough. This is not aim of my life. And that is not why I am spending my 2 valuable years, 3 valuable years in this institute. My aim is something to jump firewall. You know what is firewall? Firewall jump is, you are in a critical stage of your life, my dear friends. Whatever attitude, whatever behaviors you are passing throughout these years, there would be a huge shift. You have to jump the firewall. You will not be a student after 2 or 3 years. आपकी आइडेंटिटी बदल जाएगी. You're getting my point? What I'm trying to convey. You will be a different person. You should be a different person. That's what I'm saying. Then only some Kavan Purohit from HR, head of HR would come. Know your potentials and limitations. This is not we are talking about only getting MBA degree. Throughout this 2 or 3 years, I would know my potential. What is my inner potential? What are my limitations? What are the usual error I am making on day to day? How would I improve upon that? This is what I would like to know, right? Understanding fear factor. This is a very common phenomenon, a very common characteristic which everybody will demonstrate at this juncture of your life. Fear factor. Job nahi milegi to not be failed. We would like to deal with your fear factor. To prepare yourself to jump the firewall. Right? Leader. Don't think you are. Please remember my words. You have to wipe out that impression of yourself that I am a student. Over a period of time, you are going to lead some team into a great organization. Think about it. Dream about it. You have to keep dreaming. Guru movie dekhi na? Guru movie. It's a very strong punchline which Mani Ratnam has made. Still, whenever I am nervous, I used to go through that movie. It's a wonderful movie, very motivational. Sapna dekhta hu. This is a time for you to start dreaming about your life and your career. This is what we would like to penetrate in yourself throughout this. You are going to form up a new society. Believe me, this is what happened to me. That's why I am sharing with you. If you will come out as a great citizen, as we have mentioned in the vision and mission of this organization, you will be going to form up a new society. And it will happen. A role model. After completion of your MBA or MCA, the person who is staying in your neighborhood, he would show somebody when you are walking or when you are going somewhere to see her or see him. She has passed out from this institute. You have to become like this. हमारी जिंदगी में भी किसी ने ऐसा बोला होगा. You just go back, rewind your life. We have chosen some role model in front of us. Not like Sachin Tendulkar, Amitabh Bachchan. I'm not talking about those great role models. I'm talking about in our society, right? Wherever we are living. We used to freeze somebody in our mind कि मुझे इसके जैसा बनना है. पापा मम्मी भी बोलते हैं कि देखो इसने कितना अच्छा completion किया. We have to be a role model into our locality, into our society. A responsible global citizen. Here I'm talking about global out of this 2-3 years of completion of your skill application. You will be known as a global citizen. You will be careful about all small thing of becoming part of this planet, part of a good family of this planet. I mean, थोड़ा सा बड़ा सोचना शुरू करना पड़ेगा. That we would work upon, right? End of 2 years. How many of you are aware about CTC? What does it mean? CTC? Company? Company to company? You are very close to my thoughts. Good. CTC, generally, after completion of MBA, generally we are thinking about, there is a huge shift in this 2-3 years that you have to demonstrate. And we would here to help you out to demonstrate those traits of yours, right? Campus, what is the general impression of campus? Here you are in the campus, learning skills, every day you are learning something, right? Behavior is not very important. I am not saying behavior is not important. Please correct me. Behavior is not very important. Whatever you behave, यार आज मूड नहीं है कॉलेज जाने का. कॉलेज में भी if you are sad, आज मूड नहीं है, I will not speak too much. Nobody will push you, nobody will pinch you, right? Personal motives. You have personal motives to gain something, to be there. Here, you have to follow somebody till this juncture, right? Choice of surroundings. You have choice of surroundings. If you don't like some friends, you can change your group. यार इन लोगों के साथ आजकल मजा नहीं आ रहा है. नहीं, मैं मेरा ग्रुप चेंज कर देता हूँ. The choices are here. Personal values. Your personal value matters here. Till this 2-3 years. And it's like a movie. Why I'm saying it's like a movie? Because you can always do a retake. If you are thinking, oh no, I'm not good in MBA finance, I'll change, I'll shift to MBA HR. I'll shift to MBA with my boss. You have to create your mood. ऐसा नहीं चलेगा वहाँ पर. Because demands are different. Organizational motives are very important. Yes, you do have your motives, but you have to sync in. You have to align with organizational motives. You have to lead somebody. You will be in a different chair then. आपको follow नहीं करना है, आपको कोई follow करेगा then, right? Surroundings are by default. You can't say कि I want to change my boss tomorrow यार. इस boss में मजा नहीं आ रहा. और इस colleague में मजा नहीं आ रहा. Boss बहुत डांटते हैं, लेट आता हूँ तो लेट आती हूँ तो whatever. एक application डाल दो, boss change कर दो. No, I'm sorry. It's not permissible. So you have to be with your surrounding and you have to change yourself. Correct? Organizational values are very important. You have to be with them. You have to be with that organizational philosophy. And it's like a stage play. Stage play, नाटक जिसे बोलते हैं ना, उसमें replay नहीं होता है. If you forget the line, forget the line. Nobody will give a time there to replay it again. No. Your performance at one shot will be considered as you. They will perceive you like that. Whatever you are behaving, whatever you are giving the performance. Correct? So, there will be a huge shift in terms of mindset and in terms of culture, which we are going to deal with for us. Again and again I am repeating the same words. Your overall development as a person is very important for us, which we would like to take care of in this 2-3 years time. Next. What uniqueness we offer? Because see, having said that, it's not easy to transform anybody. To my experience, I am dealing with transformation of person and I am dealing with transformation of organization since last so many years. कहना बहुत आसान है, ऐसा बोल जाना कि हम आपको ट्रांसफॉर्म करने में हेल्प करेंगे ये वो. It's not very easy. We need your outstanding support for that. But we have thought about it. For that, we are doing institutional development program for this Sunshine Institute, and you, all the faculties, including me, including board of directors, we all are Sunshine family. When I am saying institutional development, means development of our all, those who are sitting in this, in belief of the values and faith, and awareness of cultural differences, very important in Gujarat. I am also Gujarati, but I would like to say, my dear friends, we have to work upon these issues. Because outer world is sometimes evaluating us based on our presentation skill. If I'll be interviewing you, you have to be strong enough to put yourself in 15 minutes on the table in front of me. With X factor. Because I'll be having a list. सारे के सारे 15 स्टूडेंट के 85% या 90% हो गए, तभी हम लोग उनको इंटरव्यू चेंबर में बुलाएंगे. Then how I will select you? Why? That you have to put it across in front of me in 15 minutes time. Correct? Only. तो सब कुछ समझ में आ गया. So after going out of this room, you would be a very happy person. यार कितना अच्छा समझा दिया, देखा? No issues. Fun is the most important factor. Whether you are in campus, you are in corporate or wherever. Create fun. Be in your limit also. And thank you so much. Thanks.